Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand camera and it's giving you an ERR70 or a 70 error on the display and you're trying to figure out what this is and what you can do about it to get rid of it. First of all, what this error is that the camera detects some kind of anomaly or fault or error within the image circuitry. And this is, if there is something going on there, it's kind of bad news and it's going to be hard to fix. But if it's just an electronic issue, the first thing you want to do is turn your camera off, remove the battery, and leave the battery out for a full minute. Then you can put the battery back in and turn the camera back on. Now that will clear the error out. However, if there is something more fundamentally going on, maybe a damaged circuit or something like that on the inside of the camera, then the error is going to come back. And at that point, you're going to have to get in touch with Canon to figure out what exactly needs to be replaced on the camera. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.